In this video, I will explain step-by-step how to transfer your miles from your Capital One travel card to Flying Blue, which is Air France and KLM's airline program. If you're interested in applying for any of these credit cards highlighted in this video, check out my recommended credit card link located below. If you are not yet a member of Flying Blue, Air France KLM airline program, do this now. It is free and will provide you with a membership number you will need to transfer your miles from Capital One to Air France to book the ticket. You will want to check to make sure there is a good deal before transferring any points. Once I'm on the Air France website, I'll see two tabs. I want to make sure my tab that says Book with Miles is on before entering any destination information. Once I have that, I entered for Chicago, going to Paris on May 14th, one person in economy, and then I clicked search. See here on Air France, on May 14th in economy, there's a nonstop flight for 35,500 miles and $64.30 for fuel tax. This is a decent deal. Then I want to log in to my Capital One account and click View Rewards. On the next page, you want to click Convert Rewards and not Book a Trip. This will lead you to a list of all of Capital One transfer partners. Next, click the Flying Blue Transfer Miles button. A pop-up window will appear directing you to enter your membership number from the airline program. Then another pop-up window will appear directing you to enter the number of miles you need to transfer. One of the great things about Flying Blue is they are transfer partners with most of the bank travel credit cards, such as Chase, Capital One, Citi, AMEX, and BILT. So if you do not have enough miles from one travel bank card, you can transfer miles from another card or more to cumulatively have enough for your flight. Now you can go back to Air France and book your flight for that 35,500 miles. If you want to travel more and spend less, like and subscribe for more travel tips.